Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Donnie76 Home Decor on a budget, and for today's video I am not on a budget. For today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing. I purchased something from Tiffany and Co, and let me go ahead, and I did order it online, and this is the box right here, and I can't tell if I have it upside down or what. But yeah, this is the how they chose to wrap it, and what I'm going to be unboxing is the Tiffany and Co agenda, and I did get the medium size one. I wanted the large one, but they had it, but they had it in black, and I did not want it in black. I wanted it in blue. So let me go ahead and take this out. Wait a minute. Okay, and what they did was they stuck the box inside the bag and they wrapped the bag, which I love the packaging. And let me go ahead and see if I can take it out without ripping the paper. Let me see. Trying to get it out. Yeah, it slid right out. Okay, and let me make sure. Okay, that's just my receipt in the box. And like I said, right here, this is the card that came with it. And on the back, it just said, it's here, the best surprises come from out of the blue box, that is. Thank you for your purchase. And okay, and they sent me a bag, which I'm going to keep this. Okay, I'm becoming a hoarder when it comes to bags, so I've been keeping some of the bags. But this is the blue Tiffany box that it does come in, and I just love their packaging. I just think their packaging is just really beautiful. And let me go ahead and take it out of the, oh, and you can tell that even in the box it is heavy. Okay, and what they included in here is a card as well, and they have it wrapped up pretty good. Okay, and like I said, this is the medium, and it is upside down because I opened it upside down. Okay, and this is the Tiffany and Co agenda, and let me tell you what I love about this already. The weight on this, it's not heavy, but the weight on this, and it does have 2019 on the bind on the back of the book, and they have T and CO, Tiffany and Company, on the front in silver, and they have New York right here up above it. Okay, and what I like about this is the silver that is running around the edges of the agenda, if you can see that. Okay, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted my grandson to record this, so that way I can show you everything without trying to fumble with my camera. And when you open it up, it is blue as well. Okay, and it has cardstock right here, and it is also outlined and trimmed in silver as well, and it has the 2019 on the front when you open it. And when I open it again, it has the table of contents on here. Okay, and it has the international reference. It also has the 5 language international phrases, U.S. and international bank public holidays. It has 2019 month at a view planner, 2019 week at a view agenda, 2020 planner, and it just has travel and contact information, so it lets you know what is inside of this agenda. And when I trying to flip the pages. Okay, and that is the 2018-2019 calendar. The 2018 is on this side, and the 2019 is on this side. Okay. And oh, and it also has the 2020 on here as well. And okay, and it has common phrases on here. Okay, and it has common phrases for, this is ridiculous that I wear glasses and still can't see. It has transportation on here, common phrases, map, car, bicycle, resources. Okay, it has it in, thank you, sweetie. It has it in different languages, so you'll see it right here. And then it goes over right here to give you the different phrases for these words right here. Okay, and okay, and it also lists in here the holidays for the United States, Canada, Mexico, France, United Kingdom. So it has that in here as well. Okay, and then it also has, yeah, the holidays. Okay, and it started December 2018. If you want this, you'll have to get it now so you won't miss too many months. We're already in January 2019, so I am 1 month behind, but that is okay. So it does start December 2018. It has where it starts Sunday through Saturday. So you can start on Sunday and you don't have to worry about flipping over to go, you don't have to flip in the page over to go to the rest of the week. They have one on this side and one on this side. So they just have it where if you open the book up, you can just continue. Okay. And like I said, the paper in here, oh wow, the paper is thick, in my opinion. And let me see what else it has in here. A minute. Okay, and it has, okay, I'm going to have to go through this. I did see an unboxing of this. I know that Model Chick NY unboxed this, and Zola Solis unboxed this. But Zola Solis, these are two YouTubers that are on YouTube. Zola Solis has the large one, and I think me and Model Chick NY have the medium sized one, because they were out of stock on the larger one. And this is a book tab that comes with the agenda, so you can use it to keep up with where you are. It does have it to where you can also write notes if you want to. Okay, they don't have them boxed in, you know, they just have it to where if you want to, you can just leave notes if you would like. And it does have the dates also as well at the top. And let's see what else it has in here. Okay, and oh, okay, and it does give you some note pages in here as well. Let me go ahead and show you that. So it also, like I said, right here, does have the note pages right here. And yeah, it gives you a lot of note pages. And it also has on here international air distance and international weather on here as well. Okay. And it has the world time zones on here as well, for Asia, Australia, Africa. It has that on here, and the world time zones as well. Okay. And it has weight and measure equivalents on here as well. Okay. And what else? Oh, it has weight and measure conversions on here as well. Temperature conversions, clothing size equivalents on here. Online resources. What it did was it listed, like, say for instance, the airlines, okay, and they put the websites on here as well. And then it also has hotels, motels, and resorts, and it has uh the the uh internet link address on here as well. The internet address on here, the web address as well. Okay, so that way, if you're looking for something, you can just, if you're in a new, where if you're traveling, and you want to call these hotels to see if they have them in their cities, you can do that because they have the website listed right there. And what else? Art museums. Wow. They have international dialing codes. So if you're out of town, you want to know what the international dialing codes are, they have that listed right there as well. Okay. And basically, and more note pages. Now, they do have where you can list birthdays and anniversaries on here. Okay, and they also have it on here, birthstones and flowers, zodiac. Oh, okay. They have, like, I'm a Virgo, so I was born in September. Okay, so they have all that listed on here if you want to know someone's zodiac sign, or the birthstones and flowers. Um, Let me look right quick, because I think mine's is blue, if I'm not mistaken. Mine's is sapphire. Yeah, I think that's blue. Okay, and they also have on here where you can put records of hotels, any hotels that you do stay in, hotel and restaurant. You can also record whether you like the food where you were or the hotel, depending on where you go. And you can put your personal information on here as well, on this page right here. Okay, and I think, oh, and they have the maps in here, the United Kingdom and Ireland. Wow, they have London in here, Paris in here. They have the maps. Wow, that's pretty good. Wow, this has everything in here. They have Spain in here, Northern Europe, Germany, Italy, Berlin, Germany, Rome, Italy, Middle East, Far East, India, Australia. Wow, the United States. So they all have it listed inside this agenda. I personally think that this agenda was absolutely worth getting. The reason why I said it, because of all the information that is in here, and it's so small, this was absolutely worth it. Now, the reason why I wanted this one is maybe a positive that I did get the smaller. I wanted the bigger one to leave at home. But considering I don't always want to carry my my agenda from Louis Vuitton, I can leave that one at home and carry this one with me if I choose to. But I don't know. I don't know. I just have this thing where, even though I have my items in my purse, in my pocketbook, it's just that if anything ever happens, I can have an agenda at home regardless of which one that I use. Okay, so this one I think would be perfect in my pocketbook, or either I can just leave this one at home and carry the agenda. But I'm not sure. I'm going to think about it, but I know I needed to I really wanted the bigger one, so maybe I may go back and get the bigger one. I'm not sure. But this will be absolutely perfect in my agenda. And I think it may be less heavier than my um, damier bean agenda, because I don't know. I just think that it may be a little lighter to carry than my Okay, that is it for my unboxing. I am rambling. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, my name is Diamond76, Home Decor on a Budget. And this was the Tiffany & Co. 2019 agenda. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I do home decor on a budget the majority of the time. I do fashion, okay? I also do luxury items on my channel as well. I'm not boxed myself into just doing one thing. I do different things on my channel, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And if you're an old subscriber coming back to watch my videos, thank you guys. I really appreciate it. And I don't think of you as subscribers. I think of you as my friends, because a lot of you I have known a long time. Join me on my Instagram at Diamond2872. I would be happy to have you. And thank you for watching my video again. And I will see you guys later in the next video.